Next topic is terminal velocity. What is that? It is the fastest velocity that an object can have falling because of the force on object are balanced. Suppose I am having a liquid in a container. Object is falling through a liquid. The maximum velocity it acquires when no force is acting on it, when external force acting on this body is zero, that velocity is called terminal velocity. That velocity is called terminal velocity. The expression for the terminal velocity, as we know, weight is equals to volume density. The force acting on it, force acting on the ball is W is equals to mg. Force acting on the ball or a spherical body, that is equals to W equals to mg, where mass is equals to density into volume. So we get rho Vg. Volume is equals to 4 by 3 pi r cube if I am taking a spherical body of radius r, where rho is the density and g is the acceleration due to gravity. Now we know, according to the Archimedes principle, if object is falling through a liquid, then a buoyant force is acting on it in upward direction. And that means if Ft is the weight of the medium displaced, that is equals to the volume of the medium displaced into the density into acceleration due to gravity. So we get Ft is equals to this. If V is the terminal velocity of the body, then according to the Stokes theorem, what it states that force was equals to eta Vr with a constant that is 6 pi here. So total forces acting on a body are balanced. So means body is in equilibrium. So it means terminal velocity plus this viscous force is equals to the weight. Viscous force is acting in upward direction and this buoyant force is also acting in upward direction, but weight is acting in this downward direction. As we know, the body is in equilibrium means net upward force is equals to the net downward force, that is buoyant plus viscous force is equals to the weight. So by substituting the value and solving it, we get an expression for the velocity, and this expression is called expression for the terminal velocity.